Alright, definitely want to show you this, guys. So I just made a quick project to control zoom from the mobile app using the ATMegaZero. I'm going to be sharing all this code on the ATMegaZero website. It's very simple to set up and get it working. And just to show you here real quick before I show you the app, I'm going to press some buttons on the app so you can see how I get different information, and to mute and unmute, and to raise my hand on zoom. And just to show you everything working, here it is. So I'm using the ESP module on top of the ATMegaZero. And this is the Blynk app that I was saying. So I set up already 4 buttons to control different features on zoom. And let me just show you how it works. So I'm gonna open Zoom. I already have it working here. So this is the app. So notice when I click the camera, you see the camera comes on, off. I can mute. Let me just show you in these corners. So you'll mute me, you muted me. And I have all the options that it won't work because I don't have a presentation going, but you can switch to speaker view, or I can also raise my hand and lower my hand. But again, it's working, as you can see. I don't have to use zoom button manually from here, but I can use it from the app. And this is very useful because if you have Zoom on your computer and you're not close to the computer, since now we're using Zoom more than ever, I saw the need for that, where I had to get up every time to mute myself or to unmute myself or to switch the camera on, things like that. So I think this is going to be a great little project. And it's very easy to set up. Again, look, you have this connected to your computer, and you set up the Blynk SDK, and again, it's very simple to install. I'm going to walk you through the tutorial how to do this, but it works and it's super cool.